Alright, so in all of the excitement of putting the hydraulic hoses on and getting ready to put the engine back on, I realized I forgot one critical thing, which are the brackets that go to the engine mounts. They're on the old engine here still, so we need to pull those off. I need to clean them up and powder coat them. I've never powder coated before, so this is gonna be a fun experience. And I figured since they're just the engine or the motor mounts, it doesn't really matter if I screw them up. So this is a good thing to practice on. So we're gonna try to get them off this engine. The challenge is that there's really nothing to put the engine on, and it's the oil pan on the bottom, so I'm not sure how I'm going to support this while I get it off, so this should be fun. Slide that in.
Don't blow out your asshole.
God, holy mother of God.
There you go.
Okay. So just a note, so these two front ones actually have one spacer underneath of them.
Future Bob, don't forget, you're gonna feel like a real jerk if you do.
This particular vibration mount was being stubborn, so I put it back on the engine so I had something to mount it to as I tried to unbolt it.
Wait. Yay.
You can see that the ones that got a lot of heat completely compressed. Blue, semi-gloss black, gray, atomic orange, hot rod black texture, mirror blue, machine gray, mirror red, chrome, translucent. Now that everything was bead blasted, I just cleaned everything one last time with 99% rubbing alcohol and attached it to the bottom of the oven shelves with copper wire.
Epic fail.
So that was clearly a fail. Ended up just using a spoon and just slowly spooning it into this container. It's still messy, but it worked a lot better than what I was trying to do before.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Big difference. Excited?
I am excited. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun until it goes wrong, and then it kind of sucks.
I mean, it's like pottery, but it's less cleanup. Sort of.
I've got some threads in there. We can plug them or
Just retap them.
retap them. That's fine.
I like this very sophisticated setup you have here.
Thank you. I made it myself.
I can tell.
Okay. Yay! Measure the temperature. 190 degrees. We need to get it to 400. You'll notice that I am checking the part temp about every 5 minutes with an infrared thermometer. It is important when you are trying to get good adhesion on your powder coating to check the part temperature, not just rely on the oven temperature settings. Since these were thick metal parts, they took a while to reach the proper temp. This particular powder wants to be baked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 C for 20 minutes. Okay, part has reached 390 degrees, so I'm going to set a timer for 20 minutes. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
Ooh, that's heavy. It almost touches the back of the oven there. Oh, it does touch the back of the oven. Oh, shit. Alright, so for not knowing what the hell I'm doing, man, this piece turned out awesome. I mean, you see the imperfections in the metal, the divots, but for the most part, man, that was awesome and super simple, and now this is tough. Man, that's just so cool. I'm so glad it's that easy. You know, I was afraid to try this for a while. You can see it's got a bit of a mirror finish to it with no base coat, so that's super cool. So definitely gonna be doing a lot more of this.
It's now nighttime. Bobby is still hardcore going at it.
Those are at like 420 degrees.
So, time for outies?
With the right gloves.
With the right gloves, excellent. Have you made that mistake yet today?
Almost.
Oh my god. Nice. It went through the gloves?
Right through the gloves.
Wow. So hold down, then spray?
Yep. So after examining my parts, I just found this one part, missed a little bit here, and so I'm just going to touch it up with a rattle can. So here the pieces are, all done. They look fantastic. The only thing you're seeing is actually divots in the metal. It's not actually bad paint. It's just divots in the metal. So all these parts, they really turned out fantastic. So I'm going to do a lot more powder coating in the future. So let's get these on the motor.
thumbs up for the camera?
Well, maybe not. Let's see.
Show us your hair.
Colleen braided my hair so it wouldn't get in my face. Thank you, Colleen.
Let me see it. Wearing my welding gloves that used to be so nice and clean. I had them so clean.
This is not.
No, you need oven mitts.
That's not a good job.
Do you even have oven
Look at
mitts?
welding.
Yeah, okay, that'll work. Oh my god. Well, you wouldn't have any fingerprints.
Were you just gonna watch that happen?
No, I wasn't gonna let you do it.